In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to format, double space, and indent properly using the Canvas editor when you're doing your citation assignments in Unit 7. I'm also going to show you how to complete and submit those assignments too. And so this is the Unit 7 homepage, and these are the assignments in question right here: citing books, citing articles, and citing websites in MLA. And I'm going to use the citing articles in MLA as an example. So I'm going to click on this assignment, and once I click on it, it takes me to the page. There's 3 questions in this particular assignment, and you're going to take the quiz. So this is an actual assignment in quiz format, and you only get one chance to take this one. So I'm going to click on Take the Quiz. And from here, you're going to give information about an article, and you're going to come down here, and you're going to take that information, and you're going to cite it down here. Now, in this case, I'm going to put in some information here, and you'll see I have a citation in MLA format. Now, there's a few things I need to do to make this perfect before I submit it. And so what you want to do is you want to italicize the proper things. You want to double space and indent this properly. Okay, so here's the article. And what you want to do is you want to italicize the journal title in this case, and you also want to italicize the database name. So in this case, we've got the Journal of Diving History. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click on the I up here. That italicizes it. And then I'm going to come over here and do the same thing to the database name. So I highlight it, italicize it, and now we're good there. Everything that needs to be italicized is. And then I come down here, I notice that this takes up 2 lines. So if there's more than 1 line, you definitely want to double space and indent it properly. So to do that, take your cursor and put it at the very beginning of that second line and just hit the enter button once, and that double spaces it. And keep your cursor at the beginning. Now you want to indent that, because in MLA we indent the second and subsequent lines of a single citation. So I've got my cursor right there. Come up here to the indent icon, click on it, and that increases the indent, and choose increase indent. And there you go. Now I have an MLA citation that's double spaced, indented properly, and I have the proper things up here that are italicized. All right. Once you're done with that question, move on to the next one. Do not submit it. You need to do all the questions first. So I'm going to go to next. Here's the next one. I'm going to put in my citation, and once I'm ready, I'm going to click next to go to that third one. Now, if you leave this right now, you can come back to it later. So if I decided to go out and maybe do something else, I can come back and get back into this and finish my work. But do not click Submit Quiz, because if you do that, then it'll be done and you can't go back and do anything. So I'm going to click Next. Here's the third citation, and I put in the citation here. And once it's all done and I like it, I submit it. And once you do that, you're good to go. You've submitted it, and then I go back and I grade it. You definitely want to make sure you do all 3 of these assignments. And if you have any questions while doing these, please let me know. Thanks.